And I am back for lesson 2. One single period, and I'm already on my 3rd video. I think this pen has promise. Lesson 2. In this video, I'm hoping to correct both A and B. As we get further along, you'll find the first couple are on forms in grammar, the second 2 on sentences, and they take longer. I'm going to try and do all of A and B in one file. And since you can pause me, I can go a little quicker, but then you can pause. So here we are, off to the races. A. So we have 15 for A. The first one is wokamos. Wokamus, we call. Number 2, spectatus. Spectatus. Tis, you, plural. Specto, look at. You can also use y'all if you prefer at any time for you plural, and I may just use the pronoun and the verb, we verb, pronoun, verb kind of translation. But remember, we can also pronoun do or does verb, or pronoun. Now this one's harder, right? Because I am, he, she, or it is, and all the rest are ours, verb. I do verb, I am verbing. So we call, we do call, we are calling. Any of those 3 work all the way down the line. You plural, look at. Number 3, paras. Paras. S tells me you singular. Paro, parare, prepare. Number 4, occupo. O tells me I, seize, take, capture. Number 5, amant, amant. NT tells me they, or a plural nominative. We don't have one yet, but we could. Amo, amari, love or like. Number 6, pugnat, pugnat. The T tells me he, she, it, or a singular nominative. I'll go she on this one. I usually rotate. It doesn't matter. Right now, we just need to understand it is a singular being. And remember, the gender doesn't always mean person gender in our language. Gender is about the noun, not otherwise. Can be related, but I mean, we have female ships and female water, but we have masculine fields, for example. She fights. Pugno, pugnare. We get pugnacious. Pugnacious, meaning anxious to fight or quick to fight, maybe. 7, portant. Porto, portari. We get portage, carry. NT tells me they, or the plural nominative, carry. Number 8, laudamos. We, for that mus, laudo, laudari, praise. Number 9, parant, parant. NT, they, paro, parare, prepare. Number 10, wokatus, wokatus. Tis, y'all. Woko, call. Number 11, spectant, spectant. NT, they. Specto, spectari, spectacle, inspector, look at or watch. Number 12, occupamus, occupamus. Mus, we, occupo, occupari, take, seize, or capture. 15, occupatus. So we're still taking, seizing, and capturing, but it's not we, but you, plural. Y'all take, seize, capture. 14, do, I for the O, and the letter D tells us it's give. Do, dari. That's where we get the name dative from. Because the first notion of an indirect object was giving something to someone else. 15, laudant. NT, they, laudo, praise. They praise. Yay, we're done A, and it's only been 6 minutes. Granted, you might have paused me 18 times, and it was longer than 6 minutes. That's all good. All good. You can just listen to this file and correct off, too. So, now we're on to B. English to Latin. English to Latin. You, plural, love. You, plural, love. Love. Amo, amare. My base. So if it was I love, it would be amo. But we don't have I love. We have you, plural, love. So I can start by writing my base. Amo, amare. Cut off that R-E. If I can form that base in my head, I can write amo if it's first person, and then AMA with or without the long mark if it's not first person, and then add my ending, and then I can think about that long mark. So what do we need? You, plural. O or M, S, T, mus, tis, amatis. And I put the long mark because I knew it was second person, so I knew I was going to keep it. Third person, I would not have written it. Number 2, we carry. We carry. So porto, portari. It's not the porto form. That would be I carry. So I can start with my porta. And then I need my first plural ending. O or M, S, T. Mus is first plural. We carry. Number 3, I am calling. So now it is the first person. What's my verb for calling? Woko, wokari. My first principal part is the I form. So I just have to copy it over. Woko. Number 4, they are seizing. So it's not my I form. What's my word for seize? Occupo, occupari. So my base is occupa, occupa. And now I have they are seizing. O or M, S, T, mus, tis, NT is my they, occupant. Number 5, you singular prepare. So again, not first, paro, parare, to prepare. So I'm going to start with para, parare minus the RE, and then I need you singular, O or M, S. Because it's not third, I keep that long mark, paras, paras. Number 6, we are praising, not first singular, I, so I need my stem, laudo, laudari, minus the RE, I get lauda. And then we're praising, O or M, S, T, mus, laudamos, laudamos. The rest of them, I'm just going to say the correction. That way we'll keep it maybe 10 minutes, maybe 11, I'm trying. Okay, so they are looking at, spectant. Specto for to look at, NT for the they. Number 8, you plural, tis, are calling, woko, wokari, wokatis, wokatis. Number 9, he is fighting, pugno, pugnari, pugna. He, she, it, t. Pugnat. Pugnat. Number 10. We prepare. Paro, parare. Para, and then we, mus. Paramos. Just like math, in the beginning we write out all the steps to make sure that we're all doing the same steps. But over time, we can let our brain do 2 or 3 steps in a row without the notes. So as you work through these, start practicing what part can I do in my head before I write the next part. But feel free to write out the steps as long as you want the step-by-step. So amo, amari is love, and we need she loves. Not amo, so ama, and then I need she. Third singular, O-R-M-S-T, amat. Amat. Number 12, he is seizing, occupat. Occupat. Number 13, they call, woko wokari, call, they, nt, wokant, wokant. Number 14, we carry, porto, portare. Then we need our we, mus, portamos, portamos. And number 15, he fights. The same as number 9, pugnat, pugnat. That brings us to the end of Lesson 2, A and B correction file. I hope you're got all the information here that you need, but if you have any questions, let me know.